Everyone has been through something that has changed them. Time with friends is always well spent. Our friendship will always be my favorite. Friends share all things. Soulmates come in the form of friends too. It's not just about romance. Have a love and enjoy it. See through the mist and find your way. I must go in. The fog is rising. I tried to catch some fog. Collect moments and things. Life is either a great adventure or nothing. Never let age extinguish your inner child. There is a big difference in wanting to and willing to. There are no limits to what you can accomplish. Be happy. Do whatever you want, Tato. Music doesn't lie. I play guitar because it lets me dream out loud. Sisters make the best friends in the world. There is not a word yet for old friends who've just met. Don't be afraid to walk alone. A journey well shared is a journey well enjoyed. Life was meant for good friends and great adventures. We want to be free. Sometimes it's good to be blue. Things will work out.